Hi, this is Saskia from Paper and Journaling, and thanks for watching. And today I'm going to draw my week in my traveler's notebook again. And a lot of things happened this week. Oh, before I forget, don't forget to subscribe and to like my videos. I would be very happy with that. And I said a lot of things happened, and the first thing was that there was a there wasn't a mistake, but my publisher for my second book, she got ill, and she is so ill, sadly, that she said, I can't do anything this year anymore. And I wanted my book published, of course, so I was trying to find another publisher. But that's quite difficult, but it succeeded. So that was, for that reason, was the yes, the big yes. So that was a very happy moment for me, not for her, but she's not, she is ill, and she need to be operated, and after the operation it will be fine, but we don't know when the operation will be, so that's the thing. What I'm drawing here is my cozy chair, in which I sat a lot of moments this week, simply because it was dreadful weather. It was cold, it was windy, it was snowy, and cold, and windy, and snowy. Did I say cold, windy, and snowy already? Because that was it. It was freezing. It was not nice, so I stayed indoors with a good book and a cup of tea. Just like my cat. And then I did something else as well. I went to the attic, I cleaned the attic, and I found this one. I hope you recognize it. And it worked as well, what I found. I hope you discover what I'm drawing. It's not so difficult. We all had them in the early days. And I had a blue one, and a friend of mine had a pink one, and they were always easy. You can fold them down and put them in. I had a very small one, and I could easily put it in a cupboard or something like that. And yes, I have a pink blanket, and that has a reason. Because my husband and my son stole always my blankets when it was cold. So I took a pink one, and that worked because they won't be seen with a pink one. So if you don't want that your object, your favorite object, will be stolen, then use a color that they don't, or a pattern, of course, that they don't like. And this one needed to be black, but my pencil was brown, and I couldn't find my black pencil. But my black pencil was stolen by my son. I found out that later. That's always in a household, that things disappear somewhere. That now you recognize it, of course. And then there was a day that it was very cold as well. It was, how can I say it? You put everything on, and it's still, the wind is going through everything, and wet snow is falling in your face, and that was awful. And I had a busy day. Well, a lot of nice things, but with friends. But both friends were. One was not possible to come to me, and the other one was ill. So I thought I will take it, and I went sitting in a big bath with a I don't know how it's called, but you see what I'm drawing. And I did that in the middle of the day. And at that moment, when you're sitting in a big bath in the middle of the day, unexpectedly, then I always feel so rich, because you don't, or normally you don't do that. And because it was so winter colored, I'm using also a winter colored washi tape to color it a little bit up. And I can't tear it perfectly. But if I say I want it, then it will succeed at the end. And every week they say, oh, the weather is coming better and spring is coming, but well, spring is mostly coming only for an hour or something like that, and then it's winter again. But that's the way at the moment. And one day it will be summer or spring, hopefully. And I'm writing with a blue fountain pen. I always love it to write with a fountain pen. And a nice sticker to cheer it up. It's a little lovely bird. I don't know how it's called in English. And with some blue lines to cheer my yes. And this day was the coldest day, and I'm going to draw snowflakes. They are so simple, but they're still so difficult to have the same sizes. I never really good at this. And I put a lot of dots on my spreads because I don't like it when it's plain. So I don't know if you see them, but I see them. And if you want to see them, then you I think you need to visit me or something like that. But I will show you a little bit closer. If you put dots on your own paper, you will see that it works. And well, this is almost the end of the video. Don't forget to subscribe and to like my video. And now you can see the little dots. And I wish you a very pleasant week. And hope to see you next time. And oh, before I forget, I'm going to try to close my notebook, and now you can see that it's really becoming thick. Well, I hope to see you next time. Bye bye.